The definition of light, what I said, electromagnetic radiation. Radiation means rays. Okay. So
Yeah.
now you can understand this definition very clearly. The light is an electromagnetic, and you are very much familiar with this term, that electromagnetic, what it means. It can deflect an electric field as well as a magnetic field that travels in a straight line. So what's the meaning of reflection? Reflection is whenever the light falls on surface. I am writing this here. This is a surface. This is kind of mirror. And ray I am drawing from the sun. From the sun it is coming, one ray. And this ray is striking on this surface. This is surface. And this is incident ray. And now this ray cannot absorb by this surface. Okay. So it will deflect. It will reflect by this.
Reflected
surface.
ray.
Yeah, reflected ray. So this ray get deflected into the same medium. You can see if there is air, then this ray, when incident on this surface in the presence of air, it get deflected. The medium was same at the same time. You can see the word same medium here.
Yeah.
Okay, this is important. Back into the same medium. And there the procedure where reflection you can see takes place. But when incident light, this is a bucket of water.
Yeah.
And there is a ball. Okay. So light incident on the bucket. So there will be two different medium there, water and air. And light reflected, it goes into the different medium. So after that, when you will see the ball, its size maybe differ from the actual size due to the refraction, because refraction is that process when light travels from one medium to another medium, maybe from air to water or maybe from water to air. When you are in the swimming pool and you are watching the bird or yeah. So that phenomenon is refraction, which is kind of different thing from reflection. So in refraction, the object size looks something differ. You will do the numerical on the refraction. Okay.
Yeah.
So it can differ in actual size. So please read this slide carefully. Do you have your textbook with you?
Yeah, I have.
Okay, after this, please open that and see the definition of light and definition of reflection and refraction, and tell me you get it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I noted it.
Okay, thanks. So let's move to second slide. Before that, I need whiteboard to explain these terms. The concepts of reflection you will study on the plane mirror. Okay, plane mirror, surface mirrors. You will draw it like this, which has one side.
Yeah.
This will called as polished side. You can note it like, and above it, it is
Reflecting.
reflecting side. reflecting surface or reflecting side. Got it? Now,
Yeah.
have told you there is sun. Sun has released so many rays, but we need to draw only one ray here. Okay, to understand the reflection only. But when you will study the image formation, you will get to know that to form image, minimum
2.
incident rays require.
Yeah.
So we will draw it, incident ray. So this is one ray you have chosen from the sun. Now this is called as incident ray. Okay, now it get deflected. No, sorry, reflected. Okay, with the surface. Reflected ray in the same medium, because it is reflecting in the same medium. That is why we can call it reflection. Okay, and perpendicular to this surface, you can draw the line here which separate this incident ray and reflected ray. This line is called as its normal. Okay,
Yeah.
with this normal, this incident ray make the angle theta, and this angle is called as incident
Angle.
angle. And with this normal, the reflected ray also make the angle theta dash. Tell me, I am doing right or wrong. It should be theta dash or theta.
Theta dash.
Okay.
No, theta. Because
Yes,
both are
same.
equal.
Yeah, both are equal. Okay. This chapter should be done in your school, na?
Yeah.
Reflected angle. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you draw it? New copy.
Yeah, wait a minute.
Okay.
I've took a snapshot.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Actually, my many students do this, but the drawback of this snapshot and screenshot. When you write the things, you remember it more longer than
Yeah. That's just like practicing.
Yeah, you can understand it. When you go in the 11th and 12th class, you will understand it, how much help writing and listening and watching things helps us to remind the topics and concepts in exams. Okay, so try to write properly. Try to make good notes for your revision time in your exams. Hai?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to slide. Please read these definitions: incident ray, reflected ray, normal, angle of incidence. You get it?
Oh, it's refraction of light. Refraction.
It's
You are doing reflection.
it's reflection. Sorry. Reflection. Okay.
So normal exists in the same medium in which light is coming.
Yeah. That is the compulsion for the reflection. The normal, the incident ray, and the reflected ray will lie in the same medium, and the angle of incident and angle of reflection will be same. Just hold on.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah, you got it?
yeah, got it.
Okay, let's move to fourth one slide. Angle of reflection. Object, image, I will tell you. You are from CBSE board or ICSE?
CBSE.
CBSE, okay. Done?
Yeah, done.
Let's understand what is the meaning of object, okay? So, what is the procedure that you can observe all the objects with their shapes and sizes, with their colors, okay? With their different kind of colors. Actually, we can see many kind of shades of object. What is that reason behind it?
I didn't got it.
I am just asking that, I am asking that what you have by which you can see the objects with their shapes, with their size, with their color, different kind of shades of colors.
Yeah.
What
That's the image.
What?
That's the image.
That's the image, but how you see them?
The light reflected from their surface comes into
You
eyes.
have eyes.
Yeah.
You have eyes. Say it. You have eyes. And what the main thing? What is the main thing present in your
Light. Light. Oh, main thing present in
Yeah.
eye.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, that is a retina and lens present in our eyes.
Well, this topic is deleted for us.
But I think it is quite important. Imagine there is no COVID, then you maybe you will have to read this. Now you will have to learn this topic. So I
Yeah.
don't think there's any problem with that.
Oh, that's why I don't know it. Because
Okay,
our teachers didn't talk.
I'm saying, listen, each and every object, even the moon, okay, in the sky, even the stars which are present in the sky, don't have its own light. You know that. Sun
Yeah.
is the main source for their light. That is the reason why stars doing twinkling and we can see the moon. Right side. Okay.
Yeah.
And you see the table, you see the chair, they are not releasing light because they don't have a source to release the light. We have made it's just like bulb and tube light and many rods which can release the light by using electricity. This is the other thing. But primary natural source is sun. So what God made with us with the eye?
Sun. Retina.
Yeah, retina is the main thing which present in our eye, which help us to make image of an object, different kind of object. So when you see the object, what happened actually, I will explain it on your whiteboard. Try to understand.
Yeah. Okay.
There is a ball. Okay, and this is your eye. This is very funny eye, actually.
It's okay.
And this is sun. Or this can be a bulb, this can be a tube light, this can be anything which can release a light. So when the light strike on this object, when the light strike on this object, okay,
Yeah.
get reflected. I am making one ray, it doesn't mean only one ray strike. There are so many rays striking on it, but I am making only one. That reflected ray goes into your retina, okay, and with this retina,
So do we only need one ray to see anything?
No, two rays. I am only trying to explain you how we see the object with our eyes. What is the phenomena help us to see the objects?
Reflection.
Reflection, with the reflection and with our eyes. And not even a single object, they possess their own light.
Yes. Expect those who are sources of light.
Yeah, with their electricity power, they can release the light. But we are talking about the primary source of light, that is the sun only. That's physics. We will only talk about sun.
Yeah, in this chapter.
What happen if bulb get fused? There's no electricity.
There's
Yeah.
only darkness.
Yeah. So with this retina, there is a nerve which is called optic nerve attached to it. Okay. It will travel signal of that or ball object signals to the brain. And in your brain, the image of ball is stored from your childhood, that you know this is a ball. That is the reason why you know your mother's face, you know your father's face, you know your sister's face, because it is stored in your brain already. When you see the new people, you think that who is this person? You get it? When you see the new things, monuments, anything in our life. Got it, Akul?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, if you want to take a screenshot, you can take.
Well, I don't really need.
Okay, I was thinking same. So I hope you understood the meaning of object and image.
What is the difference between virtual and real image?
See, the image which you not see on the screen when we see the TV, okay, when we see the movie, the human being which are who are dancing, who are doing acting, anything, they are on screen because the director, the cameraman take their videos as a real person. You can understand it by this, this is a trick.
Yeah. So
Because they capture them when they were dancing. So they record it, they store it, and they are playing it on the screen. So the image which can play on the screen, consider as real images. But when you see yourself in your mirror, so do you think you are two when you see the mirror?
no, I'm only one. That's my reflection.
This is completely virtual image, because the image which you see in the mirror, you cannot put it on the screen. No.
What is the screen here?
Screen means, have you seen X-ray and anything?
What?
X-ray. Bone.
Yeah, X-ray. Yeah, X-ray.
Yeah, that particular thing is called screen.
Oh.
When you will draw the ray diagram, you will understand what do you meant by what I meant by real image and virtual image, because you will understand how the image formation takes place by the incident ray when object is placing at different positions. Because after that we will go to learn the mirror. Okay.
Yes. So next.
Yeah, next slide. Take a screenshot of this.
I have took.
Now, laws of reflection. We have drawn it already. This is normal. So,
yeah.
First laws of reflection, the angle of incident always equal to angle of reflection always.
Oh. Okay. Even if surface is rough.
No. in the plane mirror.
Oh, plane mirror.
In the plane mirror only. Okay.
Yeah.
And the incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal to the mirror at the point of incident means this incident ray and this normal, this reflected ray lie in the same
medium.
This is mandatory in the same plane or same medium.
Yeah.
Incident ray and the reflected ray lie on the either side of the normal. Means the normal has to be in between incident ray and reflected ray. Okay.